So I'm going to talk about why we need to participate in the digital gold rush, which is the metaverse, Web3. Now, you know what? A few weeks ago or a few months ago, I would not have said that the metaverse was going to come at the same time as Web3. But after Facebook announces that its name is Meta and it's really trying to be a leader in the metaverse, it's clear that he's trying to push that agenda. I mean, he spent a lot of money on Oculus, so I'm sure he wants to see those ROIs faster than, most. But I think when it comes to consumer behavior, I don't know in terms of consumer behavior if I imagine millennials walking around with some goggles. I mean, Facebook Ray-Ban stories are cool, but I don't know, augmented reality on Ray-Ban stories could be interesting, but I think the real signifier, the real determining factor is when Apple comes out with their either Apple Glass or whatever, and that's going to determine. So it's Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is coming, and let's just talk about some of the smart metaverse products that are coming out that you could take advantage of. Well, there's obviously Facebook Oculus that you could take advantage of. There's Amazon Echo Frames. So what are Amazon Echo Frames and why are they competing with Facebook? People sleep on Amazon, but hey. Oh, first of all, Amazon Echo Frames are 10 months old. But how come I don't know about them? Oh my God. Okay, 2-minute commercial. Let's understand. It just looks like a cell phone. Wow. It's old. It's 2 years old. Wait, what? Let me check this out. This is what Facebook is trying to avoid, being this product that nobody talks about.
Introducing Echo Frames, eyeglasses that let you take Alexa with you.
Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. Your next event is Coffee with Rebecca at 9 a.m.
Echo Frames direct sound straight to your ears, so you can discreetly hear Alexa. And with no cameras or displays, you're free to see the world around you. They work with your phone and are controlled by your voice, helping you get things done without getting in your way.
Alexa, call Jamie. Got the raspberries?
They're on the way.
Perfect.
Echo Frames are designed around your privacy. You can turn off the microphone anytime. Never miss what's important. With VIP Filter, you choose the notifications Alexa reads to you and which ones stay on your phone.
Message from Ethan. Swipe for more. Change of plans. Meet me at the trailhead in 20 minutes.
Get the weather, news, or settle an important debate.
The fastest slap shot ever recorded was 110.3 miles per hour.
So was I right?
You're right.
Knew it.
Play a little music or your favorite podcast without missing a beat.
Alexa, resume my podcast.
Okay.
Just ask to check your calendar, manage your to-do list, or add a new favorite spot.
Alexa, add Rinzu Sushi to our favorite restaurant list.
Alexa can even help you capture a moment of inspiration.
Alexa, remind me to try a faster tempo when I get to work.
Okay, I'll remind you at work.
Alexa, turn on the patio lights.
Echo Frames and Alexa keep you in the moment, so you never miss it.
Okay, so I mean, it's very clear that each of these products, when I think about Ray-Ban stories and I think about Alexa Frames, they're utilizing their in-house tools or features that they already have. So obviously Alexa and Amazon are linked, and then but it's their entry into the metaverse as well. But what makes Facebook's more dynamic and more interesting is that you can take photos. So they're not really innovating. They just happen to have the need for video, or they have the features that on their platforms that require video. So it makes sense that that's what they moved into. Now, when it comes to Apple, this is why the competition is going to be hard. And it doesn't look like Alexa Frames did too well because honestly, I never heard about them until I saw some influencer promote it. Never heard about it. And I even heard about Facebook's Ray-Ban. I made videos about it. Ray-Ban stories like way before Alexa, which came out 2 years prior, which is interesting. Echo Frames. There we go. But one thing that's super interesting to me is when Apple launches, because Apple is going to have everything. It's going to have the camera, because that's essential. It's going to have Siri, which, I use Siri. Actually don't even use Siri, to be honest, but but it's going to have Siri, and it's going to have all the other features, all the other incredible things that Apple has. And maybe it might have augmented reality. Probably not. But either way, like, when it comes down to it, which is better? I think Facebook has, 2 years, they got 2 years to advance their product, but because it has a camera on it, well, it's a superior device, because you can still, I don't know if you can use it as a cell phone though. Yeah, I'll check and I'll put it down, but you can listen to podcasts, you can listen to music, you can listen to all those things, and you can take pictures with your camera. Doesn't have any sort of Alexa type features, right? But Facebook is using its own features, utilizing its own features that its app uses, and Amazon is featuring its own products. Anyway, but I just think these are all interesting moves, and they're just providing market research for Apple for when they come, because when they're not going to flop. Like Alexa frames, no offense, they're not going to flop. Well, I don't know if Facebook flopped. I won't say if Facebook flopped. I actually don't know the numbers, but they're not going to flop. It's Apple. They're going to dominate. And that power, having that market power, is so important and impressive. December 4th at 2 p.m. Eastern, I'm going to be hosting a live webinar, one time only, how to monetize in the metaverse. I'm going to be talking about crypto. I'm going to be talking about the creator economy. I'm going to be talking about essential things for you to understand about how to navigate in the metaverse, because guys, we're already in the metaverse. People think that it's way behind. No, we're already in the metaverse. The fact that you're on your phone, not in reality, but you're consuming things through the digital, that's technically the concept of the metaverse, right? So I'm going to be talking about it, talking about things that you should start setting in place right now as a either creator or a business, to make sure that you get there first, because this is the digital gold rush. And just like the real gold rush in the 1800s, it's not about being the best. It's about getting there first. And when we see with Web 1, we see all the opportunities that came with Web 1, Amazon dominating because they were first during Web 1. You want to take advantage of this opportunity, because there's going to be so many people that are going to become millionaires, billionaires, etc. from this metaverse space, Web 3, that we're entering or that we're already in. So guys, if you want to stay in the loop, you want to get information about how to navigate the metaverse and how to monetize now, today, in the metaverse that we're entering in Web 3, guys, click the link down below and sign up for my webinar. All right. One time only. There's not going to be any replays. There's not going to be any reruns. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on December 4th. Guys, go check that out. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all the above. My name is Kenim, and see you next time. A peace.